Hello, welcome to the English Engineer. Today we are going to learn how to use the articles, the, a, and. What is an article? Basically, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. Examples: the ocean, an apple, a doctor. English has two articles, the and a, and. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns, a, and is used to modify nonspecific, or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article, and a, and the indefinite article. The definite article. A indefinite article. For example, if I say, let's watch the movie, I mean a specific movie. If I say, let's watch a movie, I mean any movie rather than a specific movie. Let's look at each kind of article a little more closely. Definite article, the. The used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. Example: Michael bought the house that he wants. Here, we're talking about a specific house that Michael bought. I love to cook the chicken on the grill. Here, we're talking about a specific chicken on the grill. The can be used with uncountable nouns. Examples: Richard brought the salt from India. Salt is an uncountable noun. Mike always buys the milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. Geographical use of the. Do not use the before. Names of most countries and territories: Italy, Mexico, Bolivia, however, the Netherlands, the Dominican Republic, the Philippines, the United States. Names of cities, towns, or states: Seoul, Manitoba, Miami. Names of streets: Jefferson Boulevard, Main Street. Names of lakes and bays: Lake Titicaca, Lake Erie except with a group of lakes like the Great Lakes. Names of mountains: Mount Everest, Mount Fuji except with ranges of mountains like the Andes, or the Rockies, or unusual names like the Matterhorn. Names of continents: Asia, Europe. Names of islands: Easter Island, Maui, Key West, except with island chains like the Aleutians, the Hebrides, or the Canary Islands. To use the before. Names of rivers, oceans and seas: the Nile, the Pacific. Points on the globe: the equator, the North Pole. Geographical areas: the Middle East, the West. Deserts, forests, gulfs, and peninsulas: the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Black Forest, the Iberian Peninsula. Indefinite articles, a and an. A and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my friend wants to watch a movie tomorrow. This refers to any movie. We don't know what movie he will watch tomorrow. When we left the mall, Jennifer decided to buy an umbrella. This refers to any umbrella. We don't know what umbrella she bought. Using a or and depends on the sound that begins the next word. The rule states that a should be used before words that begin with consonants, for example,
B, C, D, while an should be used before words that begin with vowels, for example, A, E, I. Notice, however, that the usage is determined by the pronunciation and not by the spelling, as many people wrongly assume.
You should say, therefore, an hour because hour begins with a vowel sound, and a history, because history begins with a consonant sound. Similarly, you should say a union, even if the union begins with a U. That is because the pronunciation begins with U, which is a consonant sound. That's everything for today. Subscribe to help us to make more lessons to help you. Click the bell to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you next time.